Looking for a super easy, healthy twist on a classic comfort food? This easy cottage cheese mac and cheese recipe with perfect hidden veggies packs high protein into every creamy, delicious bite. First, heat some olive oil in a skillet. Sauté half finely chopped onion, 1 medium chopped zucchini, and 2 minced garlic cloves until tender. Next, blend together 2/3 cups of cottage cheese, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Then add all the sautéed onions and zucchini to the food processor. Blend all the ingredients until the mixture is smooth and creamy, and leave it aside for a moment. Now, boil 2 cups of chickpea elbow macaroni for some extra protein. Put them in the mixing bowl, pour on the creamy cheese sauce, and give it a mix. This mac and cheese is rich, creamy, and cheesy. The veggies give it a healthier twist with extra flavor, and the cottage cheese and chickpea pasta add protein and keep it filling and gluten-free. If you haven't heard of chickpea pasta before, check out this video here.